Namaste my dear friend, today I am here with a new video for the second part of simplification. So I think you remember the rule, the Demas rule. Demas rule is what? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, by applying this rule we will do the simplification part. Okay, so remaining question of this exercise. Now you see one, that is I number problem. 64 divide 16 into 3 plus 2. 64 divide 16 means what? If you divide 64 by 16, that is result will be 4. Now 4 into 3 plus 2. Now you have to do multiplication. 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. Okay. Now the problem number J. 3 1 by 2, this is the mixed fraction, plus 2 2 by 7 into 14 by 16 into 2 1 by 2 divide 2. This is in what? Mixed fraction. So you have to convert this into improper fraction. How can we convert improper fraction? You have to multiply this 2 into 6. You have to write this 2 in the denominator and you multiply it with this 2 here. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, like that. 7 is here, 2 7s are 6, 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, like that. 14 by 16, okay. 2 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, like that. And divide 2. So here we convert all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So now you see 7 by 2 plus 16 by 7 into 14 by 16 into 5 by 2. Here you see division is there. When we convert this division to multiplication, the symbol, the division goes change to multiplication, then the second term, last term, that is reciprocal of this term, you have to reverse this term. If 2 is there, you have to write 1 by 2, like that. Division, if you convert this division to multiplication, you have to what? Reciprocal of this number, you have to reverse this number. This 2 by 1, you have to write 1 by 2. Okay. Now you see, if the same number is there in the denominator and numerator, if they are multiplied from, so you can cancel out. Now you see 16 is there, here also 16 is there. It is numerator, it is denominator, so you can cancel this. Next, now you see 14 is divisible by 7, that is what? Okay, you see this 14 is divisible by 2, therefore if you divide 14 by 2 you will get 7. Next, this 7 is cancelled with this 7. So finally what is the remaining part? That is 5 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, now you have to take LCM of this 2. If the same number is there, so LCM of this 2 is 2. Okay, so now you have to divide this 2 by this 2. 2 divide 2, you will get 1. Next, 1 into 7, that is 7. Again also here also, if you divide this 2 by this 2, then and here also 1, you will get 1. 1 into 5, that is 5. Okay, this is the by addition of fraction. Okay, this is the method for addition of fraction. Now 7 plus 5, you will get 12. 12 by 2, that is 6. Okay, in this problem it is not easy, it is little bit difficult. Okay, you have to remember many things: improper fraction, the lowest term, and addition of fraction. Different point you have to remember. Okay. Next, L number you see 75 into 3 plus 48 divide 4 minus 108. 48 divide 4, if you have to divide this 48 divide 4, you will get 12. Next, 75 into 3, you will get 225 plus 12 minus 108. 225 plus 12, you will get 237 minus 108. If you subtract, you will get 129. This is the result. Okay. Next question number M. 8 plus 8 into 10 plus 8 into 2 minus 12 plus 27 divide 9 minus 16 divide 2. Here first you have to do the division. 27 divide 9, you will get 3, and 16 divide 2, you will get 8. Okay, now you have to do multiplication. 10 plus 8 into 2, 16, minus 12 plus 3 and minus 8. Now you have to do the addition. First, addition a positive number you write together. 10 is positive, 16 is positive, and plus 3 is positive, and a negative number together. Minus 12, minus 8, like that. Okay. Now you add these three number. 10 plus 16 plus 3, you will get 29, and you add these two number, minus 12 and minus 8, you will get minus 20. So 29 minus 20, you will get 9. This is the result. Okay. Next, question number 2, fill in the blank using this division, subtraction, multiplication and addition. Okay, like that. So here 3 into 4, you have to put symbol here. If it's 3 into 4 means 12, you have to result is 10. For getting 10 from 12, what you have to subtract, that is you have to subtract 2, then you will get 10. 12 minus 2, you will get 10. Then here result is 8. So now you see 8 divide 3, what is the result? Sorry, 6 divide 3, you will get 2. With 2, if you take 6, for getting 8 you have to add, means 2 plus 6 is 8, like that. 63 minus, result will be 0. So 63, from 63 you have to subtract what? Then you will get 0. 63, that is if you multiply here 3 into 21, that is 63. 63 minus 63, your result will be 0. Next 27, you see result will be 1. So here minus is there. So 27 divide 3, you will get 27 divide 3, you will get 9. So 9 minus 8, your result will be 1. Okay. Next 36 minus, result is 6, smallest number. So 2 into 15, that 30. 36 minus 30, you will get 6. Okay. In this way we get the result. Okay. So always you remember the rule. This is very important rule. Okay. From this is about the exercise. This is by using the rule, Demas rule. Again we will get another rule, that is Bodmas rule. We will discuss in the next class. This is also very important rule. From that rule we will learn we have to learn many things. Okay. So you try to solve the other problem which one left in the exercise. Okay. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. If any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.